cover, spears the field. Lovely fielding as well from Nikhil. He ran in, had his left foot, the big shoe coming down, and the ball was stopped. He saves a couple of runs for his team. Look at that for an effort. Amazing. Yeah, the big shoe, the right leg coming down in time and nicely backed up by the vice captain, Geva Rabri, to return the ball back in. Yeah, Kaushal, when he gets the bad ball, he will punish it for sure. A single. Wanted to play the reverse first. He saw the ball was bowled down the leg side. Just nudges it. Good over this from Murari Lal. Just 5 runs. He should finish well. He should not give away any widths now to Vijay because he is eyeing that extra cover boundary. Like I said, he will go towards that. They have a man out there in the deep. Nikhil will cut it down just for a single. Good over this. 6 overs only. 3 overs gone. 21 for no loss.
IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries.
Ganaram continues his second over. They've got that long off fielder, Nikhil. That's really nice to come out and save a lot of runs in that region because both B.R. Kaushal and Vijay like to get on to their front foot to go out there and play those shots. Down the leg side. Nobody out there at packet of shot to a leg, but there is deep packet of again, a very nice over. Only 4 runs of this. Keeper was the call, but it went to the bowler end. Good over again from Rajasthan and Ganaram. 4 overs gone, 26 for no loss.
IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries.
Oh, that was so close to the leg stump. Murari Lal into the second over. He comes in and he just bowls a very, very slow delivery down the leg side. Doesn't time it at all. There you see. Doesn't time it at all. Vijay was very close. Back live. Good stop. Nice work at mid-on from Rohita Ashmina. Stops a certain boundary even. That was a nice work from him. And there you see, brilliant effort in the field from Rohita Ashmina. Dot ball again. Good stop. Very, very good stop. Oh, that's worth for another watch. Geva Rabri, the vice captain. It was a strong shot from B.R. Kaushal outside the off stump. That sounded nice as well from the bat. And look at that for a fielding effort. Brilliant. Safe pair of hands. Played away towards that point region. You will get that single again. It's not a flying start. Rajasthan have kept it tight. That's exactly what PR Kaushal also was mentioning in the toss, that they've had some tight games, Himachal and Rajasthan. This is supposedly to be another tight encounter between these two strong sides. Last ball of the 5th over. Amazing. And not even a single extra that's been bowled by Rajasthan. They have been very, very decent in the field. 5 overs gone, 28 for no loss.
Race. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength.
Again, Aram will start his third over from the banyan tree end. There's a change of ends as well in the 5th over, as Manjunath Kale, the umpire, out there. Probably his first in the IndusInd Bank Nagesh Trophy 8th edition 2025. This is organized by Karnataka Cricket Association for the blind. That's a nice shot towards the backward of square leg from PR Kaushal. Get that single away. And again, hugely backed up here by Cricket Association for the Blind in India and Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled. As this is the Group C matches, we just saw the Group A encounter that concluded in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Defending side and top side. That hit very strong down the ground. The outfield is thick out there. It's not fast enough. Yeah, look at that lush. Big green lush. Nikhil does well to stop the ball. The 31-run partnership. Out of just 32 deliveries, it's a big partnership. But look at that big grass. It's a nice, strong layout of the bed of grasses that's been there. Blasted away towards that deep extra cover. That's his favorite shot. And he will get another boundary there as well. Is Vijay Kumar. Strong batting that has been in display. Gave himself a lot of room and made sure that he blasted that one across towards that deep extra cover boundary. Even though the effort came in from the fielder, it was not enough.
Wait. Yeah, ready. Yes.
Straight to the fielder. Keeper was a call from Kanaya. PR Kaushal did hurry a lot. Played away towards mid-wicket. What they have done really well, and a big happy occasion here for Rajasthan is they have not bowled extras at all. That's very good. I'm still feeling even the B1 bowlers like Lalit Meena, Rohitash Meena and Rinkesh Meena. The 3 Meenas of B1 will come out also to bowl very minimalistic extras. That's what I'm expecting. That's a Another nice looking cover drive towards deep extra cover from Vijay. PR Kaushal wants the second run. He gets it. 6 overs gone. 39 for no loss.
Boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through
Ready?
चलो
Comes
आगे
into
बढ़
the
देखो।
attack. The
राइटी
captain-
बैट्समैन है
हाँ
हल्का राइट
राइट
बस इधर इधर इधर
Batsman
That's so
ready.
sweet, isn't it? From the vice captain behind the stumps.
पकड़ बॉल कैच
That's in the air. Oh, catch goes down.
वाह कोई नहीं कोई नहीं कोई नहीं
A
easy,
big opportunity has been let down here by Rajasthan. And that was Kanhaiya, the keeper, who was just taken away from the keeping position and he was placed at mid wicket. There, the catch goes down. It is PR Kaushal's catch. He was used to keeping the wickets with the glove.
हाथ लंबा
And now without the glove,
सही है इधर इधर इधर
lets the catch down and you can hear what Giver, the vice captain behind the stumps, is gone to keep the wicket instead of Kanhaiya. Kanhaiya once again, the ball chases him towards mid wicket. See that drop catch again if possible. My God, that's a big opportunity that has been put down here by Rajasthan. PR Kaushal can be very detrimental now for Rajasthan's hopes.
सही है राइट थोड़ा हल्का
Oh my God.
इधर इधर इधर
Batsman ready.
Here, Giver saying here, either. That means here. This is what the direction should be. That's exactly what he guides the B1 bowler.
जी उधर चलेगा चलेगा
That was Lalit Meena, their captain.
हाथ लो
आगे बढ़
सही है बिल्कुल इधर इधर इधर
Batsman
Okay,
ready.
the position is right, he says. And plays away towards that fine leg region for another single.
शाबाश शाबाश फील्डिंग है थोड़ा सा अंदर थोड़ा सा बस चलो शाबाश बॉलिंग है यार बेटा
हाँ
हल्का राइट इधर इधर इधर
Batsman ready.
You hear him saying halka right. It's a little more towards the right. Your hand needs to move. That's all. And that's why the direction from the keeper is so important. I guess Giver went in just to guide the B1 bowlers now after the power play. He feels that
Giver.
instead of
हल्का
Kanhaiya,
राइट
he'll be the right man to go ahead
इधर
and,
इधर इधर
guide the bowlers. Yeah, once again, very clear and loud. You can hear it from the
Ay,
side. Oh, inside edge. Misses the leg stump by a whisker. Single to finish. Good over here from Lalit Meena. Just 7 of it. 7 gone. 46 for no loss.
3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 40
ओके बस
A very rare sight here in Dharwad Hubballi. A flight. Yeah, I say rare sight because there is that airport right away, and that's been nicely maintained here by the
बाउंड्री वाला
Dharwad administration.
हाँ
as
रोहित
a rare sight because
Righty
not
batter,
too many
righty.
flights come in
हल्का लेफ्ट
into this direction as Rohit
सही है
Ashmina
इधर इधर इधर
is the second B1 bowler to come into the attack from the
Oh,
banner
yeah.
tree end.
अरे
Oh,
यार,
that
मुरारी
once
जी.
again played away from that mid-wicket fielder. Kanaya is having all sorts of problems, and I guess this time it is Murari Lal. I guess he was standing in front of the sun. There you go.
इस बॉल बाद लेते हैं. अंदर ही अंदर चार अंदर है गौतम तू अंदर गया ना तू अंदर आ
He was standing
Ah.
exactly
Alkaline.
opposite to the sun.
हल्का राइट
Probably
बस इधर इधर इधर
took the ball away from his glance.
ओए यार रोहित
First
रोहित
wide
रोहित,
delivery.
गाड़ी ध्यान रखना.
Right, it's the first extra from Rajasthan. Coming off Rohit Ashmina,
ध्यान रखना
who's just taken away the ball outside off.
हाँ रोहित
It's been a very, very good
सही है इधर इधर इधर
economical bowling, very resilient in terms of the extras. That's a good shot. It's gone towards the deep point. Boundary.
गौतम
50 up for Himachal with that one. It's a brilliant stroke.
हाँ कांजिया बंद है ना बाहर कांजी अंदर है यहाँ पे
Look at that shot once again as Rohit Ashmina just gave away a lot of
हल्का लेफ्ट
time. That's all. No width on offer. The time that
बस हल्का राइट
he gave Vijay
Idhar,
set him up
idhar.
nicely for that big booming drive on the offside towards point. That's better. As a left-hander, he goes over the wicket instead of around the wicket.
बॉलिंग है
That's a good thinking that has gone in Rohit Ashmina's
हाँ
attack.
रोहित सही है बस इधर इधर इधर
Oh, amazing. He cramps in for room. We saw what happened when he scored the boundary. The boundary was scored because there was a lot of time that was given away, but now he's cramping him for room pretty well. And PR Kaushal just goes up there and has a talk
हाँ रोहित
with his vice captain there,
बस इधर इधर इधर
trying to calm himself down. Three amazing deliveries from
बॉलिंग है
Rohit Ashmina, especially after the ball that was being hit to the boundary rope. He's done really well.
शाबाश रोहित यार
You see, this is the third dot delivery after the boundary ball.
हाँ
Good work, very good work from Rohit Ashmina.
हल्का लेफ्ट
He needs to
बस
finish well.
इधर इधर इधर
Like I said, it's a very sedate partnership. They're scoring out exactly at just 6.5 runs per over. Single to end the eighth over, 53 for no loss.
41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India.
बस सही है
हाँ केवर
हाँ ले लो
हाँ
Lalit Meena, the
हाँ, सही
captain,
है बस इधर इधर इधर
बैट्समैन ले
will continue from the commentary box end.
आराम से एक रन हैं?
Comparison between two B1 bowlers, both Rohit Ashmina and Lalit Meena. They just don't share the surname.
देखना ध्यान रखना
They also kind of share the bowling pattern, the attack of the pattern. Both are comfortable,
केवर
सही है
actually cramping the room for the batter. That's why even Lalit Meena goes around the stump in the air, and this time taken. PR Kaushal has been dismissed here. Rohitash Parekh comes in at mid-wicket and takes the catch. This is a reward for some very tight and good bowling. PR Kaushal wants to just make sure that the scoring rate is not hampered because of that little strong corridor that they are bowling. There, he wanted to go out there, free his arms, play it across the line, completely doesn't time it, and Rohitash Parekh with a diving catch. Brilliant, brilliant. That's what you want to see as the partnership has been broken. 54 for 1 now as Himachal.
India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting
सेफ्टी अविनाश भाई ये गेवर तेरे पीछे उधर साइड ध्यान रखना एक बाहर रखना हाँ गेवर हाँ देखो हाँ
ठीक है सही है इधर इधर इधर
ओके
Avinash Sharma, the P1 patcher, has walked out to the center now at number 3. Yesterday, he was pressurized by Snehit with that close-in field.
हाँ गेवर
Today, he can actually get out there and score the run. That's where the camera also zoomed out to show no closing fielders. Huge appeal and gone. LBW first ball. Avinash Sharma has been dismissed. And it is Lalit Meena, the captain of Rajasthan, getting 2 wickets back to back. It was dead straight. As straight as an arrow that's come out of Arjuna's hand. That is exactly what Lalit Meena did. It was very, very straight as a P1 batter who's completely visually impaired. Avinash Sharma could not do much about that one. Dismissed first ball. Yeah, we'll see that once again. See how he was stuck inside the crease. There you see, he was stuck inside the crease. Played the ball a little early, and that was much for the delight of the Rajasthan contingent. Brilliant. So he's on a hat trick now as Hemraj has walked out.
ओके ओके गेवर
लल्लू
हाँ
2 wickets back to back. What will be Hemraj's reply? Will he play Lalit Meena safely, or will he just try and play fire with fire? Safely nudged away. That's all. Single of the first ball. Hemraj, he is a very experienced campaigner. P2 batter. Yesterday also he did really play well against Kerala. 2 wickets back to back. That was very, very good. First PR Kaushal and then Avinash Sharma.
बैट्समैन रेडी
That's in the gap. Nicely timed away from Vijay Kumar towards square leg. Boundary. Well, well, well. What a contrast over this one. 2 wickets back to back. And now the boundary that's been scored away towards deep square leg. Nice comeback, I should say, here from Himachal Pradesh against Lalit Meena.
टू मोर बॉल
हाँ लल्लू
हाँ
हाथ लगा
देखो
इधर इधर इधर
बैट्समैन रेडी
Last ball of the 9th over. And Vijay goes down the wicket. Good stop. Nice fielding. The appeal for this one. Not out is the call there from the umpire. Very, very good fielding
ओवर
performance that was being given away. And there you see, it was quick, it was nice, and good stop. 9 overs gone, 59 for 2.
Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive.
स्ट्राइक पार्सली विजय नहीं दूसरा हाँ रोहित सही है इधर इधर इधर
Rohit Ashmina will start the 10th over. Wide ball outside off. Wide delivery.
चलेगा हाँ हल्का लेफ्ट बस इधर इधर इधर
Blasted away nicely towards the mid-off region. Single.
सुपर सुपर जबरे 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 शाबाश
Changes the angle from over the wicket to around the wicket now. Rohit Ash.
सही है इधर इधर इधर
Hemraj gets that one on the leg. Plays away brilliantly. Just a fumble in the field. That will cost him 4 runs. I was thinking just a small fumble from Ravi, but no, that's costed a boundary here for Rajasthan. Not a pretty good work. And there you see the outfield, yes, I agree, is quick and fast in that part of the ground. But they wanted another strong effort. He shouldn't have slid. There you go.
सही है बॉलिंग सही है सुपर सुपर
That was unnecessary.
निखिल क्या है चल 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 हाँ सही है भाई इधर इधर इधर
Down the leg side, missing that one.
बॉलिंग है रोहित बॉलिंग है बॉल पकड़ना
How close that was. There you see, he should have gone in for the straight batted shot. Now a straight batted stroke. Straight towards the mid-on direction. Couple of more runs here for Hemraj. Couple of more runs for Himachal.
हल्का लेफ्ट बस इधर इधर इधर
Wide delivery. Wide delivery. Down the leg side.
लेग में वाइड हल्का लेफ्ट बस इधर 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 शाबाश
Good drive. There is protection in the deep covers.
हाथ में मत पकड़ बॉल
Nice fielding there from Kenaram.
हाथ में नहीं
Keeps the batters down to just one. But what is
बॉलर रोक देना
pretty exciting and impressive is the
तेरे
extras.
चल गए सोना था तेरे को
The extras that was being
हाँ
not
सही है
conceded so much
इधर इधर इधर
from the bowlers of Rajasthan. But
bowling is
very,
superb.
very good ball again outside off. Short delivery to end the over. 10 overs gone, 68 for 2.
Banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives.
Well, inside edge and Hemraj gone. And this is amazing stuff from Rajasthan also. After the drinks break, they've paused the B1 bowlers' bowling. They've brought Murari Lal into the attack. And Himachal have lost their important run scorer. Inside edge, onto the stumps, gone. And how many times have we seen after the drinks break, the wicket falling?
Community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond.
And once again, good thinking from Rajasthan. After the power play, they have not brought in a B1 bowler. They have brought in Murari Lal, a B2 bowler for attacking the stumps. And boy, did he attack it nicely. And it is Rajwinder now. First ball, he just plays away towards the short fine. I guess it's off the glove. So 2 runs added to the total. Yes, there's a bit of a discussion there. Was it off the glove or off the leg? Now that's the discussion. I think that's off the glove. That's exactly what Manjunath Kale is trying to explain. I want to check something. Okay, we will see what that is. I think that's off the glove. I think the television umpire has been brought in. Is Sadiq. Now they want to just check the run out as well. That's off the glove. And I think that's also pretty okay. The decision has to come in from the television umpire as well. Sadiq, he will just see it another frame. The live frame.
Not out, na?
Not out.
Okay. Oh. Yes, batsman ready?
Yeah, ready.
Yes, batsman ready?
Very impressive bowling from Rajasthan. In the first 10 overs, just 3 extras. That's all. And Himachal now will rely on Vijay Kumar. He has to be there until the 20th over as Hemraj is running in for Rajwinder. And very important for Vijay now to go out there,
मुरारजी
stay there as long as possible.
सीधो 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 आगे दीजिए और यस बस रेडी
White ball again, outside off. Outside the line of leg stump, no problem there. Rajwinder should understand that he's been brought in to rotate strike. I know it's the P1 batter who will only listen to the sound of the ball and he has to get away from strike. And hitting him down the leg side. Today, Sarthak, the 13-year-old lad, has been rested because they've brought in Suraj Kumar in place of Sarthak. White ball down the leg side. And the last ball of Murari Lal's is brilliant over. It was an extra first ball that he bowled. Hemraj, it was wide outside off, went to chase that one. Went in with a lot of power instead of timing. Inside edge was bowled, but now as Rajwinder plays that away towards covers, he'll keep strike for the 12th over. 11 overs gone, 2 runs more added, 75 for 3.
To championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives.
हाँ रोहित लल्लू
हाँ
राइट बैट अभी वन है
ओके
सही है
Malik
इधर
Meena, the
इधर
captain,
इधर
रेडी
will now come back for his second spell
पकड़ पकड़
to his third over. They will get that single away. The overthrows. Well, that's a boundary. Hang on. This is unbelievable. It is 10 runs added to the total as of now because it is the overthrow that will also go to the batter. It's 10 runs, single and a 4, 5. So 10 runs added to the total. Unbelievable. Did not have to do that one. Rajasthan. It was Avinash. In fact, Rajwinder just playing away. That one, the direct hit was being missed. And Rohitash Parekh was the man throwing that one. Oh my God, this is 10 runs of one delivery. Anything and everything is a possibility in our format of the game. One ball, 10 runs. Have you ever imagined that this will happen? We'll show that to you again and again. There we go. It's a P1 batter who played it. Rohitash Meena with the fielding effort. I know it's a good thought to go for the direct hit, but that was an overthrow. That was driven away nicely from Vijay Kumar. This is what Himachal needs now. A boundary again towards long on. They're releasing a lot of pressure. This is very, very good stuff. 10 runs in one ball. Very rare to see that one. So whatever the overthrow is also for the batter. That's the rule.
सही है इधर इधर इधर
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Imagine that it would have been the last ball of the match. You need 10 runs to play. Anything is possible. And this is also possible with Vijay Kumar. Nice extra cover drive. And he'll get another boundary. Oh, Lalit Meena, the captain of Rajasthan, is under a pump. Goes down the wicket. Makes room and drives it through that gap between long off and that deep cover fielder. Change of ball as well.
initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to
बिल्कुल इधर इधर इधर
See, this is what happened in the first ball of this over. Straight away. Huge appeal, but off the shoe, back live. To show that 10-run ball. Very lucky there for Himachal Pradesh to get 10 runs off that first ball in this over.
Hello.
Vijay Kumar needs to stay there for Himachal as long as possible. That's the only difference now for the strong and decent bowling attack of Rajasthan. Very, very economical, not giving away too many extras. Both the Meenas of B1, Lalit Meena and Rohitash Meena have done really well. The partnership, of course, is nicely brewing between Rajwinder and Vijay Kumar. It's all important now. Rajwinder just puts back the ball. That's all. There is Hemraj to run for him. So he does not have to bother too much. Just connect the ball.
हेलो सही है इधर इधर इधर
Last ball of the fifth over of the B1 bowlers. That's off the leg. And it's a dot delivery. Still gone. 94 for 3.
Championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives.
What happened in the previous over, first ball as the 10-run ball. As he played away towards that short mid-wicket. And it was Rohitash Parekh who went in for the overthrow. No packing up. That came in. Also, any fielder out there. Unbelievable. No ball. First no ball here as Rohitash Meena starts a no ball with his third over first delivery. Center line no ball. Is it? No, the line, the sideline no ball. There you see his right leg. It was pressed against the sideline. That's really well driven. Through point. Boundary. And Vijay Kumar is leading the charge for Himachal Pradesh against Rajasthan here. Moves to 49. Good partnership of 31 runs as well in just 13 deliveries. Width on offer. Blasted away really well with a lot of power. Himachal Pradesh on 99. Vijay on 49. This is a very, very good counter-attack. Again, drives. Strongly driven through extra cover. Boundary. And Himachal will reach the 100 and Vijay Kumar will reach his 50 as well. Amazing, amazing bit of a performance from him. 50 for Vijay Kumar with that boundary. 53 and Himachal reach 100 with that boundary as well. I see the excitement there in the eyes of the team members. For Vijay Kumar, another no ball. I think that's a sideline no ball. We'll see that sideline no ball again. I think Rohitash Meena once again just overstepping this time. Not the sideline, it's an overstepping no ball, so that's a no goer any time. And only the overstepping no ball is the free hit. You see that center line there in between the wickets on the pitch. That's the indication for the first bounce to be in the bowler's half and the second bounce needs to be on the batter's half. That's the rule. But if it's a line no ball, overstepping no ball, then only it's a free hit, not for the center line no ball. Nicely swooped away towards the back square leg. Vijay Kumar for Himachal needs to play the 20th over. That's what they will be thinking. To put up at least 170, 180 on the board. Rajasthan has been very, very good in terms of the ball and the bowling attack. Yes, they had dropped PR Kaushal, but that did not cost them too much.
Camera. Oh. Batsman ready?
The attack was nice, but the impact was outside the line of leg stump. See the impact just outside the line of leg stump there.
Batsman ready? Oh.
Again down the leg side.
Over.
Two very good deliveries to finish the over. We'll see that impact as well.
From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers.
खिलाड़ी देख लेना कोई अंदर बाहर है
6 overs, 59 runs from the B1 bowlers. Yeah, anything under 65, 67, or even 17, 8 overs is completely manageable. Another 2 overs to go, and now Kanaya has gone behind the stumps. I should wait for the umpire's signal. Was it off the bat? Oh yes, it's off the bat for Vijay Kumar. It's a boundary behind Kanaya. Gaver Rabri comes in for his second spell. Kanaya was moving towards his left side. The ball beats him towards the right, and you cannot expect too much there from the B1 fielder, right? Isn't it? Lalit Meena, the captain, went in, dived for the ball to be stopped. But only the sound of the ball that he should gauge, isn't it? That was full marks for the effort from Lalit Meena. There you see his efforts. Very, very good, but the boundary was conceded. Now, Gaver Rabri shifts his line, but a reverse shot from Vijay Kumar towards the third fielder now for another boundary. Vishnu, another B1 fielder there for Rajasthan, has been under the firing line from Vijay Kumar. Nice reverse. You see that small gully region that he was standing in was Vishnu. The ball beats him. Brilliant timing. 2 boundaries back to back. Vijay Kumar needs to keep going like this. And he should not be playing any wrong shots. That's what Himachal will be hoping and praying. Again, pretty well nudged away towards the point region. Single only. All that Rajwinder can do is just try and not get out. That's all. 9 runs have come in the first 3 deliveries of Gaver Rabri's is over. The vice captain, of course, started off from around the stumps, got conceded behind Kanaya for a boundary, and then he shifted over the stumps, gave away a lot of bits outside off. There was a reverse shot that was being played. The impact was on the leg. They will run away for the leg bye, I believe. Chance of a run out. Oh, he misses it. He misses it. It's a leg bye for sure. It's not off the bat. Yeah, that's the leg bye signal that's coming in. Oh, that's a strong shot. A half stop from Gaver Rabri reduced the pace of the ball. Vijay Kumar again driving strongly down the ground. You see a half stop. That's it. That reduced the pace. Did not go to the boundary ropes as Nikhil had a lot of time. The deep to gather the ball. There you see another angle. That half stop, just the half stop. Good ball to finish the 14th over. 116 for 3.
customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 40
6 overs, 59 runs from the P1 bowlers. As Rohit Ashmina comes in to bowl the 7th over of the P1 quota of overs. They need to bowl 8 overs in 20 overs. That's the rule. Into the last over now, Rohit Ashmina. Driven straight back to Rohit Ashmina. Good fielding. Very good fielding. Very good fielding. Back live. Oh, after 2 very good deliveries, he hit that one nicely towards the boundary rope, where you can see the name of the ground as well. The RIS grounds, the railways grounds here in Dharwad, Hubballi. That was a very bad ball down the leg side, and Vijay just does not need any invitation to punish that one. Brutally punished, I should say. Very wrong delivery from Rohit Ashmina down the leg side. After 2 very decent straight to the wicket sort of a deliveries. Just straight in line. There once again the right leg is just outside. And the line also is outside the line of leg stump. Good stop. But it is a boundary. It is a boundary. I'm sure that it should be. Yeah, that's the signal that's coming in from Shekhar as well. But the effort was very, very good. But he slid over the boundary ropes. Ravi towards deep backward of square leg. 2 back-to-back boundaries here for Vijay.
Boundary है. चल कीपर.
Drives. But there is deep extra cover. And he wants a second run. The throw comes in at the wrong end of the keeper. And they do get the 2 runs. All right. It's all happening here for Himachal. You see, the second run was being taken very nicely. In fact, oh, right, on the overthrow, they do go for the third.
कितने रन लिए?
You see, Rohit Ashmina does not gather it well. Gavar Rabri wanted it. The P1 fielder, the P1 bowler was, I think, confused of which direction to go. A little harsh on Rohit Ashmina. But yeah, that's the game. There is no sympathy here. It's only empathy. Good stop from Kanaya behind the stumps. Now you see that Rohit Ashpare comes in to save the P1 bowler. 15 overs gone, 127 for 3.
IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From support
देखो
Lalit Meena, the captain, will finish the
हाँ,
P1
गेवर
quarter of overs. Slightly costly now, the P1 bowlers, especially in the previous
Okay.
over. 71 runs, it's crossed the 70-run mark.
इधर इधर इधर
बैट्समैन
You can
रेडी
hear Geva Rabri guiding Lalit Meena saying, "Idhar, idhar, idhar," in the stump mic. It was a dot delivery. Yeah, I'll tell you what, he had an opportunity to play that one. You see, yeah, he had that opportunity to score that boundary.
इधर
Down
इधर
the leg
इधर
side.
बैट्समैन रेडी
Didn't time it. Vijay Kumar on 75.
Ah,
Again,
oh,
steps down the wicket, drives down the ground. And there is Nikhil out there at long on. And he will inflict a run out. Yeah, Rajwinder is run out. As it was Hemraj running away to put Vijay Kumar back on strike. That was a nice drive down the ground. Nikhil came out there and he made sure the throw went in towards the keeper end. And there you see, wonderful work from Geva Rabri, the vice captain, who was keeping the wickets as well, to go in and collect the ball and inflict the run out.
चलो फील्डिंग सेट आ लो
हाँ
सही है इधर इधर इधर
बैट्समैन रेडी
एक में जा रही है लो
ओके सॉरी
बॉल
Nice
पकड़ना
delivery down the leg side.
चल चल
हाँ
हाँ सही है इधर इधर इधर
बैट्समैन रेडी
पकड़ 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 वही सोचा पकड़ बॉलर बॉलर
बढ़िया गोपाल पहला तेज करके दूसरा आराम से बोल लगता
आ लो
हाँ
सही है इधर इधर इधर
बैट्समैन रेडी
ओए
Wanted to drive outside the off stump. Gets beaten. Dot delivery.
मुरारी जी ध्यान रखना थोड़ा पीछे रहना आ लो सही है बॉलिंग है
बैट्समैन वेट वेट वेट
इधर इधर इधर
बैट्समैन रेडी
पकड़ पकड़ मुरारी जी लाइन लाइन
Makes room. Nobody there at deep extra cover. Boundary. Oh, it was a wrong picking on that occasion there from Murari Lal. He went towards his right. The ball went towards his left on that occasion. And there you see, once again, stepping down the wicket. He loves to drive the ball outside off stump.
ओके
Is Vijay Kumar very
मुरारी
strong
जी अंदर आओ
on the offside towards covers and deep extra. And this time, Murari Lal did not pick the direction of the ball.
हाँ
सही है इधर इधर इधर
बैट्समैन रेडी
Last ball of the 16th over, last ball of the P1 quarter of overs. That's played away on the reverse. I think they will be settling for one. Yeah.
गुड फील्डिंग शाबाश
Gopal Chand will not get strike. He will have to wait. 16 overs gone, 136 for 4.
IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue
To start the 17th over. And this is also good. Gopal Chand. He scored a couple of boundaries yesterday against Kerala. The moment he came out under pressure, he can bat as well, the wicketkeeper batter, Gopal Chand. So this is a good time for him to be in the middle for Himachal. Goes for an attacking shot down the leg side. Misses it. First ball, dot delivery. on ball. That's all is needed for Himachal as of now from Gopal Chand. Get that single and put Vijay Kumar on strike. And for Gopal Chand, still will want Keva Rabri, the vice captain, of course, Lalit Meena, to think about bringing the field up. Till the 17th over, and Gopal Chand has just faced 2 deliveries. For him, just bring the field up. Good ball. Very, very good ball. There you see, he slowed the pace down completely. Keva Rabri, good thinking. He saw Vijay Kumar wanting to dance down the wicket. Slowed the pace completely, and Vijay could not connect. And for Gopal Chand, if they can bring the field up, save that single, that is really nice. Don't see any closer fielders. They're all very far away. There you see. See, if there was a fielder up in the ring at mid-wicket, they would have thought about that run instead of going for a single. Reverse. That's gone between the 2 P1 fielders at that backward of point region. Boundary again for Vijay Kumar of the 17th over. Last delivery 144 for 4. It was not too much of a wrong delivery that was being bowled away here by Keva Rabri, just around off stump. And it was all pure timing from Vijay Kumar to get the boundary at deep backward of point region. Almost a third fielder. 17 gone, 144 for 7.
IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries. IndusInd Bank has contributed to
Played away towards the deep mid wicket. Single. That exactly is the plan. Gopal Chand will take a single, give it to Vijay Kumar. That should what Rajasthan now needs to realize. As Nikhil has come into the attack for his first over. Good ball. Very good ball. You see that he wanted to go. Is this eye on the point and the mid-wicket region, but then he wanted to go down the wicket, blasted through covers, misses it. Again, very, very good delivery from Nikhil. All 3 deliveries. It's the same way that Nikhil is bowling. Left armour around the wicket. He's just taking the ball away from Vijay Kumar. This is good. This is completely unexpected here by Vijay. He did not expect that the ball will deviate away from him like that. Goes the reverse. Better shot to play. He's found the gap this time. Nobody at deep backward of point. Boundary for Vijay Kumar. It was only the P1 fielder Vishnu who was giving the chase. Nice work. You see what Nikhil does. He actually gives the whip to the ball from his left thumb. There, he just whips the ball as if we are, going ahead and starting the bike in your left hand, right? When you start the bike or a car from your left hand thumb finger, that's what he does to the ball, and that's exactly why the ball deviates away from Vijay Kumar. You see, there again, from his index finger and the thumb finger, he just whips the ball. And this is a nice whip from Vijay Kumar. Drives, nobody at deep extra cover. And another boundary to finish the 15th over. 150 up there for Himachal Pradesh with this one. They see this time it was bowled a little more quicker. That helped Vijay Kumar to score the boundary as well. 15 gone, 153 for 4.
IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs.
The 19th over with a wide delivery. There you see the urgency of Vijay Kumar. Vijay wanted that. We'll show you that back live. You see how way long is Vijay Kumar backing up. He gets a single now and he will be going on strike. You see how way long back is Vijay Kumar backing up. Even with the wide ball, he wants that strike back. Is Vijay. Gopal Chand was not in that mind at all. Good ball. Very good ball from Gaver. And they will take that single. It was just bowled on the legs. Nudges it nicely. The keeper standing behind. Gets the single away eventually there. Single. No, directed. It's gone. Right. Gaver does really well as Gopal Chand has been run out. This is very good stuff. Let's see, he slipped away first, then he collects the ball and the directed. As Gopal Chand was found short of his ground. Slips. Then the throw. Brilliant. He was not even there. Not even going there in the frame at all. Really well done on the fielding of his own bowling. This Gaver. Vijay Kumar will have strike as well. Single again. The penultimate over, the 19th over. Very, very good in terms of the runs that's been scored against. Just 3 runs and a wide, that's all. You see Vijay Kumar wanting to go out there and tell something to Gopal Chand. Down the leg side. Dot delivery. Sanjeev Kumar, the B1 batter, needs to play this one. The last ball of the 19th. And you see there Vijay Kumar, 99, probably will be the first centurion in the Group C matches. Very good over from Gaver, comes to an end. Just 3 runs and an extra from this one. 19 gone, 157 for 5.
IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3.
And goes the reverse, gets the single. He wants the strike to be in his control. The throw goes to the polar end. It will be a run out. And Sanjeev will be run out as well. But Vijay Kumar has completed his century. 100 for him. 100 for Vijay Kumar. First batter to score a century in the Group C stages. We saw 5 centuries actually that came across in the Group A matches. 3 came from Durga Rao, back-to-back centuries from him in 3 days. 3 days, nobody in the history of Nagesh Trophy, IndusInd Bank Nagesh Trophy, had got 3 centuries. That's a big record for Durga Rao as Vijay Kumar still has strike. He wants that single, so that's where the
bowler.
Yes.
down the leg side. Right delivery for Vijay Kumar. As Suraj Kumar
Yes.
gone out to the center. Blasted away again towards deep covers. There is
Bowling.
protection, only one. Just saying there were 5 centuries that came in the Group A matches at Vijayawada, the IndusInd Bank Nagesh Trophy. 3 came from Durga Rao, the Andhra India captain. 1, of course, came from
Batsman
Alpesh
ready.
Nimbatkar, Gujarat vice captain, the star player for Gujarat there. Unfortunate that the Gujarat team did not qualify. They want to run on the wide, and it's a run out again. Suraj Kumar sacrifices his wicket. It's a wide delivery only, but Vijay Kumar will be on strike. That is what exactly is happening here. It was a wide ball, and Vijay Kumar went for it. Suraj should have gone immediately, because the mindset should be that the presence of mind should have been to put Vijay on strike. It's a run out. Nevertheless, only 1 run for the extra on the wide. And there was another century that came in from the Uttarakhand captain as well, Deepak Singh Rawat. He scored a century.
Batsman
So
ready.
5 centuries there in Vijayawada. That was a big run scoring spree, the Group A matches. Here, the Group D matches in Hubballi Dharwad. Vijay Kumar becomes the first batter to score a century. They wanted another run. Why? Vijay Kumar, of course, needs to be on strike. Why has Hari Kishan not understood this one? It is a centurion who's been dismissed. The centurion goes back disappointedly. 103 there for him. Big hand, big knock. I know that Hari Krishnan should have understood that there needs to be the centurion to go out there. There, Vijay Kumar, he's explaining to everybody that what happened there. He wanted strike. I understand his disappointment. The 2 new batters in the middle. We'll show you that run out after this ball. What happened there? It was a clear intention there from Vijay Kumar to go for the run.
Throw इधर इधर.
I think that will be a leg by for Hari Krishnan. Yeah, leg by there, the signal. See the run out there. Vijay Kumar actually played that one on the mid-wicket region, almost on the square leg. Did not time it well. It was a big inside edge. And there you see Hari Krishnan should have ran. Confusion. Vijay Kumar run out. Back live, last ball of the innings. 165. Himachal Pradesh will be really happy with this one because they did not start well. And it is Vijay Kumar's 100, which has put 165 on the frame.